Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are
Good
you all?
afternoon, ma'am.
Fine?
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
Okay. Good afternoon. So children, we have started new topic, that is factors and multiples. And factors, what we have said about factors, when we multiply the numbers, we will get the product. So the numbers that are multiplied to get a product. So that numbers are called factors, and we'll learn what is multiples. So when we multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, the products obtained are called multiples. Then we have discussed in our last class, those numbers that have only two factors, that is one and the same number itself, they are called prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers have only two factors, one and the number itself, and one is the smallest factor and the given number itself is the greatest factors, and all other numbers will lie between one and the number. Okay, one and the given number. Understood? And what about composite numbers? They have more than two factors, and the number 1 is not a prime number, it's also not a composite number because it has only one factor. 1 into 1 is only 1. So that have. And we can notice that 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number, and all other prime numbers are odd. Can you tell me, is it correct or wrong? Which is the odd numbers, no, prime numbers less than? Richard, can you please unmute and speak? Which are the prime numbers less than 10? Prime numbers less than 10.
Prime numbers less
Than 10. In the last class we have discussed, no? 2, 3, like that.
5,
2, start from in order. 2,
2,
uh,
5,
what about 3?
ma'am, 3 also.
2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. 2, 3, 5, 7. And 3, 5, and 7 are odd numbers. Okay. 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers.
And 2
So
is even number.
2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. So which is the only even prime number?
2.
2. Understood? 2 is the only even prime number, and what all other prime numbers are odd. Okay. So quickly, can you say, Agnay, what are the even odd number? What are the prime numbers less than 10?
2, 3, 5, 7.
2, 3, 5, 7. Gautam, can you tell the composite numbers less than 10?
4,
4.
4, 6, 8, 9, 10.
4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So children, what are composite numbers? That have more factors. More factors.
than
So for example,
two factors.
number 6 have how many factors? 1 in 1 and 6. 1 into 6. 2 and 3. So they have 4
4 factors.
factors. That's
Four
why it
factors.
is called composite composite numbers.
Factor.
And if the number like 1 into 3, they have only 2 factors.
2
1 into
factors.
5, they have only 2 factors.
2
1 into
factors.
7, only 2 factors. These numbers are called
Prime numbers.
Prime numbers. Okay. So children, I am going to show you that video.
Okay, ma'am.
So I want all the children to mute, otherwise you will not be able to hear properly. Okay. Ready? Watch the video properly. It is not like a cinema. Math videos that you have to be very careful, you have to observe, then only you will understand. So now we got some idea about factors, multiples, composite number, prime numbers. Composite numbers, prime numbers. So when you watch this, it will be little more clear, I think.
Today, let us revise factors and multiples. Let factors. What do we mean by a factor? A factor of a number divides that number exactly. Let us look at an example. Find the factors of 58. The first pair is 1 into 58 is equal to 58. Here, when we divide 58 by 1, we get the quotient as 58. And when we divide...
Isha, please unmute and tell me, can you hear the sound?
I can hear, but like the sound is like coming,
Breaking.
like
yeah,
a little bit,
Ah.
but it's
okay.
better than last
better
time.
than last time. But last week we had heavy rain, so the network was slow. That's why I post. Now the sound is I made maximum. Okay, children. Now if any like breaking the sound, you can everything is written on the board also. It's coming writing. Okay, so you can watch. Okay.
58 by 58, we get the quotient as 1. In both the cases, the remainder is 0. Thus, it means that 58 is divisible by 1 and 58. The second pair of numbers, which gives the product 58, is 2 into 29. Thus, the factors of 58 are 1, 2, 29, and 58. Let us solve one more example. Find the factors of 81. The pairs of numbers which give the product 81 are 1 into 81 is equal to 81. 3 into 27 is equal to 81. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Thus, the factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27, and 81, as each of these numbers divides 81 exactly. Did you notice? We counted the repeated factor only once. Remember, every number has 1 as a factor. Every number is a factor of itself. Thus, every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. 1 and the number itself. The factor of a number is always equal to or less than the number Now, let us look at multiples. A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Let us find the multiples of 12. It is easy. When we multiply by 12 by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on, we get 0, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, and so on as the products. So here the products obtained are nothing else but the multiples of 12. Let us look at another example. Find the multiples of 19. When we multiply 19 by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on, we get 0, 19, 38, 57, 76, 95, 114, 133, 152, 171, 190, and so on. Thus, the multiples of 19 are 0, 19, 38, 57, 70, 76, 95, 114, 133, 152, 171, 190, and so on. Remember, a number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every multiple of a given number is equal to or greater than the number itself. Every number has an infinite number of multiples. 0 is a multiple of every number, but 0 is not a factor of any number except 0. Revising factors and multiples was fun.
Ma'am, it was clear. Some breaking only was there.
Huh?
Problems.
Ma'am, there also be some problems.
But all the writing is clear now on board.
Yes, ma'am, everything was clear. Only small problem.
So whatever they are saying, they are writing on the board, and factors and multiples, I hope it's clear now. Multiples means how we can find the multiples? We can multiply by start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So any number. For example, 5. 5, we have to find the multiples of 5. You can start multiply from 0. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. Like that we can multiply with any number. That's why and so on. In multiples they are saying etc., etc. and so on means that is we can, because we know the numbers, we don't know the end. It is continuous. It is infinite. That's why the multiples, we can make any number of multiples. But the factors, they are limited. Okay, factors, they are limited. Now, if I want to find the factor, okay, if I want to find the factor of a number, for example, 12. I want to find the factors of 12. I know factors of 12, when multiplied together, we will get the product as 12. So what will I do? I will start from 1 into which number I will get 12? 1 into 12. 12, the same number itself. Then I will start checking, is 2 is a factor of 12. Can I multiply 2 with any number so that I will get 12? Yes, Manu.
6.
6, yes.
6.
I know the divisibility rules. Children, you can use the divisibility rules also here. The last digit is an even number. That means this is divisible by 2. So in the table of 2, you can multiply with a number so that you will get the product as 12. Now I will check 3 into any number is 12. Yes, Richard. Yes, Richard?
Ma'am, 4.
3 into 4. Here also we can use the divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3, Amna? Divisibility rule of 3. Yes, Anadesh. Divisibility rule of 3. The sum of the digits. Here, what is the sum of digit? 1 plus 2. Is it? So that is it is there in the table of 3. So that means we can divide 3 into 4. This will help you. Okay. Now, 4 into any number, will you get 12?
3.
4, this one.
Yes.
Change order. 4 into 3 is 12. And 5 into which any number? 12? No. We know that divisibility rule. Yes. In the multiplication table of 5, how it's possible if the last digit is either 5 or 0. Either 5 or 0. So 5 is not possible. So
6.
is there 6 into
Yes, ma'am,
any
6
number?
into 2. 6 into 2.
6 into 2 is 12. Now finally that is 12 into 1 is 12.
Ma'am, video is off.
This automatically, it's coming like that. So here, it's going up again.
Yes, ma'am.
Factors of 12. Okay. So children, you can take like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's coming like the factors here like this. Okay. So
One,
here
two,
we
three,
can write the
four.
factors of 12 as factors of, and remember that we can write the factors only one time. Factors of 12. We will start with 1. 1 is the smallest factor. Then we know that is 2 into 6. So 2. So we can write like this. Why it's hang? Okay. 1 into 12. So 12 we will write at the last. 2 into which number? 6. So we can write here. Okay. Now 3
4.
times 4. So we can write here 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Now here check 4 and 3, 6 and 2, 12 and 1. They are repeating. So no need of writing. So what are the factors of 12? You have to check with all the numbers. And remember, like 12 divided by 2 is 6. After 6, after the half of the number, then the final number will be the number itself. Okay, so here the how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors. So the number of factors are limited. It is not infinite. 6 factors. Maximum factor is the number itself. 12. The biggest number will be the same number and the smallest factor will be the number 1. Okay, so what is the smallest factor? 1. And the biggest factor will be 12.
12.
Understood? Children,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
write the factor of 18? You have to start all the checking all the tables. 1 into 18, 2, 2 into which number, 3 into which number, 4 into which number, and you have to tell all the factors of 18. Yes, children, write in the rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
Factors of factors of 18. We will start always with 1. 1 into 18 is 18. Then you have to check the multiplication table of 2. Is 2 multiplied by any number? You will get 18. Looking at the last digit, I can understand that is an even number. So that is divisible by 2. So check the table of 2. You will get 2 into 9. Yes, 18. Now I have to check the next number. 3 into any number is 18. But I know the divisibility rule of 3. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 and 9 can be divided by 3. So that means 3 into which number? 3 into 6, 18. And the next number is 4. And checking the divisibility rule of 4, last 2 digit must be a divisible of 4. Here 18, it is not there in the table of 4. After 16, the next number is 20. So that is not divisible. 5. Now check the multiplication table of 5. Here 18. Last digit is not 0 or 5. So that is not divisible by 5. Now these numbers will start repeat again.
Ma'am,
6 into
I
3,
got 6
9 into,
factors.
yes?
It's correct. I got 6 factors.
So children, I am not repeating this again. 6 into 3, 18. Because 9 into 2 is 18. We can write only the factors one time. 18 into 1. So these factors I am not writing again because We cannot repeat the factors. So how we can take 1 into 2 into 3? Then we can start from here, 6. So we can write 1 into 2, then like this. 1, comma 2, comma 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Children, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Is
ma'am.
there anybody got more than 6 factors? Anybody got more than 6 factors?
No, ma'am.
No?
1, 2, 3,
No, ma'am.
6,
9, 8.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18.
9, 18.
18.
Okay. Huh? What? Okay. So I got, I think all of you got correct answer. Very good. So next one. Okay. Write the factors of 40.
No, it's a 0 or 1, 4.
From where the sound, children? Okay. Factors of 40. Start from 1. 1 into dash equal to 40. 2 into dash. Use divisibility rules. Check, is there any multiple of 3 that will make the product as 40? Okay, yes, Daniel, you want to say something? Unmute.
Ma'am, 2 into 20 is equal to 40.
1 into 40 is equal to 40.
40 itself.
2 into 20 is equal to 40. You can use the divisibility rule of last digit is 0. That is an even number. So that there will be a multiple which can multiply by 2 will get the product. Okay. Now what about 3? Divisibility rule of 3. Please check the divisibility rule of 3. 4 plus 0, that is 4. So divisibility rule of 3 says that if the sum of the digits, here the sum of the digit is 4 and that we cannot take. Okay. And what can be the next number? Is there any other number? 4. Check. 3 is not divisible because the divisibility rule says the sum of the digits should be divisible by. But this is not divisible. So check here. What is the divisibility rule of 4? The last 2 digits must be a divisible. It should be there in the table of 4. Ananda, can you tell me 4 into any number? Is there any number?
Ma'am, ma'am, I got 6 divisibility rules.
I'm asking you 4 into which number is 40?
10.
10. Okay. Now what about 5? If the divisibility rule of 5 says that if the last digit is 0 or 5, so that means 5 into some number is 40.
5 into
5 into
8.
very good. 5 into 8. 5 into 8 is 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you can change the order. 8 into 5, 10 into 4, 20 into 2, 40 into 1. No need to write that changing the order. Now we can take the numbers in this order. Okay. 1, comma 2. So 1 into 40. 2 into 20. 4 into 10. 5 into 8. So how many factors here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 factors. All of you got 8 factors or more than this or less than this? Yes, children, did you get 8 factors?
Yes, ma'am.
8 factors. Okay.
Factors.
Okay. So anybody got more than 8 factors?
No, ma'am.
And anybody got less than 8 factors? So I hope all of you have understood what are factors and prime numbers. Okay, children, now we will not have time for revision. So I want you to revise today which chapter 5, and I will give you tomorrow one small short test in the evening. I will send one link.
Revision.
Yes, revision of
Okay, ma'am.
chapter 5. Only 5 mark question I want to do as a skill test.
Okay,
Tomorrow evening, I will send the link like almost 7 p.m.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Done?
ma'am.
Ready?
Thank you, ma'am.
Tomorrow
Thank you,
evening.
ma'am.
Okay, which chapter? Chapter 5, multiplication. Study and we will do one short test.
Class.
Huh? Not in next class.
No, ma'am. Test is in class.
No. The link you will get in the WhatsApp.
When?
Tomorrow evening.
Okay. That
Okay.
time itself you want to do?
7 o'clock. Okay. I will inform before. Till what time you can do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, children. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.